welcome back to Projects Warrington. Today we're going to show you how to clean some alloy wheels really well. I'm not using a lot of elbow grease because a lot of these wheel cleaners just don't shift any black. So what we've got is Oven Bright, best stuff to use. So this one has got quite some heavy black markings. And using a brush, you just rub in between the spokes. And this is the only thing really that cuts in. Okay, so there's still a little bit left, but at least we can see it now.
Yes, we will need to refurb because it's scratched and flaked. So at least this you can clean the wheel completely. So it may even come out cleaner than it has before because of the oven cleaner. Not just need a touch-up paint now. From these bits here, it's come up really nice as well.
And there you go, wheel cleaner. Use Oven Bright to bring a nice shine to your wheels.